Welcome to the 2015 Cadillac Escalade Premium. The Escalade is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Cadillac Escalade, power windows, locks, and mirrors. In the top trim level here, we have the wood trim finish, suede inserts as well, two-tone interior, automatic headlights, 4x4 dial heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. This 2015 Escalade only has 48,681 kilometers. Nice and low. Column shifter with trailer mode, push button push button ignition, power adjustable foot pedals, as well as your suspension. You do have the large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, dual zone climate control with heated and AC seats. This Escalade has power parking sensors, front and rear, lane keep assist, obviously, as well as the wood trim finish carried throughout the whole dash, Bose audio, and those beautiful leather brown seats. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the 2015 Cadillac Escalade, 22-inch wheel and tire package with the Bridgestone Dueler HL Alenza tires. We have ambient lighting on the door handles, as well as keyless entry, obvious chrome door handles, automatic running boards underneath the cab of the Escalade coming to the front. We have LED daytime running lamps, front parking sensors, and camera system. Beautiful Cadillac Escalade headlamps. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows. This Escalade is equipped with remote start from the factory. We have those waterfall LED tail lamps, backup sensors, trailer tow package, power tailgate, of course. This Escalade does have a Borla catback exhaust with the dual chrome, black chrome exhaust tips there, giving this Escalade a very pleasant V8 growl. Jumping into the interior here, second row, that beautiful chocolate leather brown. Both end seats are car seat ready, as well as they are heated. Seats fold down nice and quick, getting up and out of the way, giving you access to our third row. An obvious 60-40 split. All three seats car seat ready as well when folded down, giving you an enormous amount of trunk space. Over top, we have the light colored headliner with LED lighting and AC and heating vents, and a DVD player for the rear entertainment, and a single pane sunroof up front. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2015 Cadillac Escalade. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.